If you're fascinated by politics and religion, you need to hear this. In May 2025, just as the Catholic world grieved Pope Francis's passing and anticipated a historic conclave to choose his successor, an unexpected image turned everything upside down. An AI-generated picture of President Donald Trump dressed as the Pope went viral and the internet went wild. Shared on Trump's Truth Social and reposted by the White House on X, the image featured Trump in full papal regalia, and reactions were swift and varied. Some found it hilarious. Senator Lindsey Graham even joked about a church renaissance under Trump, while conservative writer Rod Dreher quipped, "Make Rome Borgia again." But not everyone was amused. Many Catholics, including Cardinal Timothy Dolan, were outraged, calling the image god-awful. Trump defended it, saying critics can't take a joke, and even mentioned that Melania found it funny. This incident isn't just about a viral image. It highlights how AI is blurring the lines between satire and disrespect in politics and religion. As AI tech becomes more accessible, its ethical implications grow more complex. So, as the conclave proceeds, we're not just watching the election of a new pope, we're witnessing the evolving intersection of technology, politics, and faith. Don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing stories and insights.